Put this big half-inch drive flex head ratchet in my ratchet drawer. Oh yeah. And then let me organize all the extensions that I have over here that are not on the rails, so then I can have it a little bit more organized. Here's all my ratchets and most of my extensions, spare socket rail clips. Hi. And half-inch drive rail that will be probably sooner or later filled up. And these 3H drive socket rails are going to be used for my Icon SAE and metric semi-deep 3H drive sockets. And those are going to be for the security bits, which I need one more of these, but sadly they didn't have a third one in stock. And then I got the cup holder and paper towel holder. And that's the reason why I have all these shop towels, just so you guys know. Hey guys, here's all the bits I got moved from the case over into the bit organizers. And then I have to get another bit organizer just to get the remaining of these in here. So yeah. Hey guys, for now I'm gonna put the bit organizers right there. But then all the remaining bits I'm gonna leave in the case and put it with my pry bars and plastic pry toolkit and everything else that's up top. So because I'm only gonna keep stuff in spots that already have stuff. Otherwise the drawers that are empty are gonna stay empty for now. So then the paper towel holder and cup holder I'm gonna find a spot for, which for now it's kind of tricky to do. But even though it's gonna look weird, I know where I could do the paper towel holder. I think I'm gonna try, see if I can get it to stick on the top of the lid and just pop a hole through pull one of the paper towels out and put it on top. Holder for now is going right there, and then now I need to find a spot for the paper towel holder, and then everything will be completely set up. And then I will mess with the semi-deep Icon SAE and metric sockets and the socket rails some other day, because it's the weekend and I soon have to go eat dinner and get ready for work. So yeah. And here are all my paper towel rolls that are going to sit on top of my top chest for now. And then here's my paper towel holder and my paper towels. And then here are the 3H drive socket rails that are going to go for the Icon semi-deep 3/8 SAE and metric sockets. And I will show you that drawer after this. Guys, this drawer has all of my sockets, most of my extensions, and most of my adapters. And then the socket rails are for those sockets that are in the cases, so then I can clear up even more room in here, which will be some other day, probably the weekend or maybe a weekday after I get off work. But I will keep you guys posted on the whole setup. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. This drawer is completely empty. This drawer is completely empty. This drawer is completely full of all my wrenches. This drawer is pretty much completely full of all my sockets, but it won't be completely full after I put it all the SAE semi-deep and and metric semi-deeps on the rails. Yeah, that's that. And then a completely empty drawer. And then I will show you my other setup, which is my top chest. And the 6-inch and 4-inch magnetic trays, the US General Magnetic stuff that I have, which I have pretty much everything magnetic from them, minus a few things. My Icon screwdrivers, my Scott Shop Towel Originals. That's that, and then the rest of the setup, and my electric screwdrivers, flatheads, and it's pretty nifty little setup. All my pry tools, striking tools, receipts, trim tool set, some of my security bits, because I'll have all the storage for the security bits. Empty drawers that used to be my screwdrivers and flatheads, electric screwdriver. My snap spring pliers, my freaking Klein tool stuff, then my whatchamacallit, crap, vice grip, then my Klein Tools wire stripper cutter thing that I got from work, because people be leaving tools around, so I'd be snagging them up. Then bits, drivers, extractors, hex keys. Pretty much that's that drawer, which is quite a bit. Then some of my extensions, all my ratchets, socket rail clips, spare socket rail, safety gear, and cutting tool, aka saw, light, earplugs. And that's pretty much about it in that drawer. Empty. And empty. That's the whole setup. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes features where you get notified when I'm posted in the community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out. Oh sorry, I've already said that once in a previous clip because I was not thinking that I was gonna make this into one long video. I was thinking I was gonna separate it in multiple videos, but no, I'm not. I'm gonna edit it all into one. So yeah, I'm out.